Well, weather changes like we've got going on can bring all kinds of things happening. It has been kind of steady but slow on lambing the last few days, but had a mama that dropped a little one, maybe a little premature, but we're going to get it to the house and see if we can do anything for it. I hope. It's awful small, but we'll see what we can do. And then we'll come back and process mamas and get the ones over the past 3 or 4 days tagged and moved. Got her warmed up a blanket in the microwave for a few minutes. She's talking now. Got her cleaned up. Get her warming. See if, yes, baby. See if we can get some food in her when she gets warmed up a little bit. She's still pretty cold. Thinking she may be a little bit premature. So, here's hoping. Four 49263. Oh, we have a ram. We have a pretty little ram. So you're just going to get the tag treatment. There we go. Maybe wanted to stay with him. Go. Seriously. Well, we've had record warmth for the past 4 or 5 days. Highs were in the upper 70s, low 80s, and lows in the upper 50s and 60s. Now, overnight, we're going to go back to the opposite, the way it was the week before. We're expecting lows in the upper 20s, low 30s. Highs are going to be barely in the 40s most days for the next few days, up until New Year's at least. So we're going to make a little preparation for that. We moved a brown bale onto the table not before last, but tonight I'm going to move one here in front just as soon as I get enough water in the tractor tank. And I'm doing that just to provide a little, not just extra hay, but also provide a little bit of wind block for them as well. Because the wind's coming out of the north that way, and this door faces that way. But a lot of times the wind comes in, bounces off that wall right there, and comes right back into the pen. So we'll give them a little bit extra up there for some wind block, and also it'll be extra for them to eat if it's too chilly to go outside. I'm also going to be getting a bale for the girls in the back there, because we've got about 10 lambs back there now. They're all doing really good, but we'll make sure that they have plenty of hay also. And the girl that we took to the house a little bit earlier that was kind of struggling, she's doing really good, talking a lot, warming up, standing, has had a little bit of colostrum but not much, so hopefully she will continue to improve. She's very tiny, so I'm not sure that she's not a preemie, but really doesn't matter as long as she thrives, and we're going to do our best to see that she does that. So hopefully we're on the upside. we've been working on getting this square hay off of here way too long. You may have seen the short that we were working on it the other day, and had a tractor flat, and that shore just made it that much harder to deal with anything. Then I've had a head cold for a couple of days, and just wasn't up to trying to get it done. But now we've got rain coming, and there are too many bales of hay on this trailer to let the rain have. So we're gonna take them. Fortunately, we'll get about 6, maybe 7 at a time. That's about all we're gonna be able to get. And we have to get them on the pallet. Then I have to take it, lift it up to the barn loft, run up the stairs, unload, and then run back stairs, load, unload, load, unload, load. You get the idea. So, I don't know how well you can see it, but that's where they're going. That barn loft door right there. Yeah. So I got to run up, open the door, and then get the tractor moved. It took about 15 minutes to do one load of 8. All right, next load. Now, turn around and do it again. Now that I've figured out my load pattern, it doesn't take me long to get a pallet loaded. Two loads left after this one. 2 loads. I don't know how interesting this has been, but we appreciate you tuning in. Thank you for all of the support, the subscribers, the viewers. A year ago, we were at 14,000 views. It's total views on the channel. In a year, it's went from 14,000 to 100,000. And we couldn't have done it without you. Thank you. Good night, guys.